friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making an omelet in the air fryer. So we need a pan that fits inside the air fryer basket, and also we need eggs, salt and pepper, milk, and I'm going to add cheese to my omelet. It's totally optional. In addition to cheese, you can add chopped cooked vegetables. The fillings are totally up to you. So I'm going to start by spraying a pan with a non-stick cooking spray so the omelet doesn't stick to it. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the pan with vegetable oil or melted butter. And now I'm going to put the pan inside the air fryer basket and set it aside. So I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And add 2 tablespoons of milk. Sprinkle the eggs with salt and pepper. And I'm going to whisk the eggs. And now I will add a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. So let's add the cheese and mix. And I will now pour the egg mixture into the pan in the air fryer basket. So there's the pan. Let's add the egg mixture. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And it'll set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious omelet. It looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. So good. Looks perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. See, this is a nice, perfect cheese omelet. Looks amazing. Perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying it. Tastes amazing. See how easy it was to cook omelet in the air fryer? You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!